This is the Makerspace / woodshop. The tables in this front part are for Mr. Reynolds' class. Please don't use them unless you have permission from him. Now let's take a tour. Over by his tables, you will see that he has cabinets full of tools for you to use. If you use them, please make sure that you put them back in the proper spots. And if something is empty, for example, if there are no more hot glue sticks, tell your teacher so that we can order some more. This is the washing station. This is where you will clean up your paint brushes and anything else that needs cleaning. We also have brooms and a dustpan for you to clean up your area when you're finished working. Now let's walk back to the Makerspace. Although it doesn't have a label yet, it will. This table is for cutting. It's a lower table and it will provide the safety you need for using box cutters. Please only use your box cutters at this table and only 2 at a time. These 2 tables are for gluing and they are labeled as such. These are the only tables where hot glue is allowed. Try to limit it to only 2 people per table for safety's sake. Now let's look at the resources. On the left-hand side are the supplies for the sewing club. These are for the sewing club only. Please do not use those. But in the Makerspace, over here we have things for painting. We have a library of books. So if you're searching for a project idea, take a look at one of these books. Just don't use them for resources. We have all sorts of recyclable items for you to use in your projects. We have paper, plastic, material. Over here we have some measuring devices, and we have tables for you to construct on. If you need paint, the paint is locked up. It will be given to your teacher and be distributed accordingly. Back cabinets in the Makerspace are for storage of projects. The front one and the other 2, the 3rd and 4th one, are for regular student projects. The one with the lock is for sewing club only. The woodshop tools are for Mr. Reynolds and Mr. Blacklock's classes. You have to be trained on these machines and get permission from them to be able to use them. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, contact your ITS.